Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be installing these AlphaRex tail lights on this second Gen Tacoma. We're really excited. It's a total upgrade from the ones that are on it right now. These are not the OEM tail lights. This is an Amazon option, which is a little bit better than the OEM, but these will just take us to the next level. This install is super easy. There's 2 bolts on each side. All you're gonna need is a 10mm and a ratchet, a little extension. We had the long extension. Okay, so you'll take your 10mm and you're gonna remove a bolt that's right up here on the top. Ours is behind this little piece of foam. You'll remove that one, and then there's one down here at the very bottom. So we'll go ahead and do that. So after you remove those bolts, you're just gonna pull the tail light itself out. Just stand behind it like this. I like to put a hand underneath and one up here, and then you're just gonna pull straight out until it comes out. So once you get it off, there's just one clip that needs to be undone. To undo this clip, you just push the button on the top and it should come just straight out. Okay, so with your new tail light, you're just gonna plug this into the one that you just unplugged and put this back into place. Okay, so when guiding this in, you're gonna have a pin right there and down here at the bottom of the light, and you're gonna guide them into this hole down here at the bottom and this one up here. These are what kind of like click it in, and then the bolts on the side secure it. So then you just line those up and it should just slide and you should hear it click in. Okay, so once it's back in, you're just gonna replace those 2 bolts. So once you've done the first light, you're just gonna do the same thing on the opposite side of the truck. All right, just like that, the taillights are installed. This was a super easy install. It took us all of 10 minutes. And it makes a huge difference on your truck. 10 out of 10 would recommend these AlphaRex ones over the Amazon product. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.